Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger Session Expert on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here in this window. Then you just go down and you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window here in this window. And you just go down here to looking for Messenger app in this window. You click here on Messenger and it's going to take you to next window. Then you click here on force stop and you click here on OK, and you go down, you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window. Just click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish now you are get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all messenger app settings.